Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the ASUS Vivobook Pro 15-inch OLED laptop. This laptop is aimed at professionals, but is also good for a wide range of purposes such as gaming, basic use, and also much of productivity. So this is the Pro line of ASUS's Vivobook series, and it has the great OLED screen that ASUS has become quite well known for at this point. Today I'm going to be unboxing the top spec model in the AMD range, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so as I mentioned before, this is the top spec model with the AMD Ryzen 9 processor and the Nvidia RTX 3050 graphics card, dedicated graphics. And there's also Intel variant of this computer as well. And this particular one has 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. And you can see the box here. It says on the front, ASUS Vivobook with Wow the World. And it's got this little signature stripy texture there that is used across the entire computer on things like the enter key and also the back of the lid, which I'll show you in a little bit. All right, so around the box, it just has some serial numbers and product IDs and then some information about the computer. So I won't go and show you guys that, but to unbox it, there's next to the handle, there's a little ASUS sticker here, which just needs to be cut at the back. So I'll cut that there. And then what you can do is you just, if we put it down, we can lift it up here. You gotta get the handle out of the way, and it actually opens that way. So I'm gonna just turn this box around. Here we go. All right, so when you open it up, you'll see on the top of the box it says the Vivobook environment, and it's just got some information about what they're doing to try and be a bit more environmentally friendly there. And then in the box here we've got the presentation of the laptop itself. So it's got in this little sleeve here, so we can pick it up here, and we'll take a closer look at that in a moment, but we'll just have a look at what else we get in the box. And then in the box, you can see we've also got a warranty card here, which says in search of incredible. Yeah, so that's the warranty card there. Then we've also got just a little, not sure what's in here. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this is just some funny things that ASUS has thrown in here. Just about their whole mission to wow the world that they've shown on the entire computer here and in this little thing. Put that to the side. Also, we've just got some information about their app, My ASUS, and how you can get support for your product if you ever need to. And then they've also got the user guide, which just has some information about how to use the computer. Now on this side here, we can lift up the bottom cardboard piece here, and we get some of the charger brick here. So we've got a little AC adapter there, which will then plug into that part of the charger brick, and then you've got the little barrel plug which goes into the laptop itself. And you've just, yeah, got that charger brick there, and it's 120 watts, which is quite powerful for this type of computer. So that's everything that you get in the box for the ASUS Vivobook Pro 15-inch OLED. And now let's take a look at the computer itself. So it's in this little sleeve here, so we can just pull it out. There we go. And we get our first look at the computer. So if we turn it around here, it says, the best ASUS OLED laptop for creators. Unrivaled laptop for video editing, graphic design, 3D rendering, and gaming. And you can see some information that says, best laptop brand winner of 2020. So they've just got some information about their screens here, CPU and GPU, and some other important aspects. Now, also on the laptop, you can see it says ASUS Vivobook on the lid with that signature stripe that we saw on the box. Now, if we open the device up, around the wrong way here, open it up like this. There we go, we got a plastic sleeve on the lid, which I'll just take off there. And we get our first look at the ASUS Vivobook Pro. So this is a very nice design here. We've got on the keyboard, we've got a nice full-size keyboard here with a little number pad on the side. We've got some stickers to show what's in it, as I mentioned before, Ryzen 9 with RTX 3050. A nice big trackpad here, which feels really nice to touch. Some, good keys, as I mentioned. And then we've obviously got that really nice OLED screen. All right, and then on the front, we can see this really great OLED screen that ASUS is known for these days. Now, I did try to turn on before to show you the boot up and show you a little bit of the screen, but unfortunately, it seems it's out of battery charge, which is unusual. Usually, brand new devices are charged to about 50% battery, but I'll have to give it a charge and then we can have a look at it. But that display is really nice, and in the stores, you can really see how good they are. You can also see that on the top, that little privacy shield is covered up by default, but you can move that around. That's just to protect your privacy with the webcam so that you know it's definitely can't see anything. But other than that, that's about it on this laptop in terms of the inside. And then if we just take a quick look at the port selection here, on the left side, we've got two USB 2.0 ports. Sort of wish they were 3.0, but not a big deal, I guess, with two indicator lights. And then on the other side of the laptop, you've got your charging port, a USB 3.2 Type A port, HDMI, USB-C 3.2 Type C, micro SD card slot, and then a multi microphone jack. So yeah, that's about it on this ASUS Vivobook Pro 15-inch OLED. It's a really nice premium device. I can feel it's got a really premium build quality just from first impressions. And yeah, certainly we got it on sale, so it was a really good price in the end for the specs we got. So pretty happy with this purchase. So let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a review after a couple of weeks of use of this laptop, because I'm more than happy to do that if you'd like to see that. And I'm really interested. This is the first time I've used a OLED laptop as my main, so I'm really excited to see how that screen goes. Otherwise, that's about it for this laptop. Hopefully this was helpful, giving you an idea of the unboxing and what the initial look of the laptop is like, build quality and all that. Thanks for watching this video on Unpack Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.